welcome back to another drone flight of Entre Legends. Today we are here in Crayford in Southeast London, in London Borough of Bexley. So without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so we're to the sky, as you can see. We're now just going to go to the max height and do 360 photos. Literally sunny a second ago and literally just got cloudy, but it's going to come back in a minute, so it's not too bad. Just going to go for the max height and then we're going to do 360 photo and explore this area here in Crayford, Southeast London. So we're going to go to the max height and what we're going to do, we're going to do a 360 photo. All right, 360 photo is now complete. We're now just going to zip around Crayford. It's gone a bit cloudy in this area, but it's sunny in this area, so we're going to go to this area. Looks like there's construction happening here. I don't know what they're building here. What they're building here, it looks like they're building some kind of block of flats. I'm just going to go around and just get a shot of it. Look at that. Literally, it's just a shame that the sun just went away. I came all this way. It was actually sunny pretty much the whole time, and it got sunny. It got cloudy the second I came here. Seems like the sun's coming back now. What we're going to do, we're going to go down to this area. See that the sun's come out again now, which is good. Just turn around quickly. The sun's out in this area, this spot of area. So yeah, let's just get a shot of this area down here. Construction. Get a sunny shot of that. Yeah, it's a bit. It was sunny pretty much the whole time, but the clouds got bigger as the day progressed. Look at that big digger right over there. Mad, isn't it? Let's go all the way around. We're just going to go to this area. Down here. The crane's almost as tall as the drone, but we're higher. Gonna fly around it. Sun's out now, which is good. Let's get a shot. There's a little construction that's happening here. I don't know what they're building. Might be like flats, but we'll see it in like a few years' time. It's literally like a timeline of London. We're in Southeast London. We're literally in the outskirts of London. As you can see, when they built, like we'll see what's being built here. Like it's quite bad that I caught it right before it was being built. I don't know what was before, what was demolished here before, but all we know is that there's construction happening here, and that there's gonna be nice buildings there soon. We don't know what it's gonna look like, but so here's the Sainsbury's that we're flying at. This drone flight is completely solar powered as well. I mean, my solar panel actually like stopped working. I don't know what happened. I actually luckily was able to give it back, return it to Amazon. So I might go back to grid charging, but I might get another solar panel because it's actually interesting to have a solar charged drone flight. I found one for a decent price on AliExpress. It's not as fast as the 30-watt one, but at least it charges at 10 watts and it's cheaper as well, like for like 16 quid or 14 quid if I can get it for cheaper, which I might do. It's a decent price for a solar panel. So we've got nice area, we've got Nando's here, this big truck here. I might go down to Dartford after this, which is actually outside of London, Kent. So I don't really do much out of London drone flights, but yeah, it'll be an out of London drone flight, which we'll do. Look at that, we're following it nicely as well. can hear a lot of construction. It's cloudy in this area, so we're just going to come back now. It's like a boundary, like once we see a cloudy shot, we're just going to keep getting sunny shots. Like, I'm going to avoid getting cloudy shots like the plague. And it looks like the cloud's coming. It's faster than how our drone's moving. It's like how quick it's moving, the clouds. It's like the drone's bringing the clouds, it's crazy. Will there be a sunny spot after this? Oh dear, there's a big cloud coming. I think that's it with the sun. I mean, temporarily, there's a temporarily big cloud. I'm not sure how big this cloud's going to last. Basically like the long way now. I don't know how long that's going to last. Just follow it though, as long as you can. Follow the sun, because big clouds just came in the way. You literally can't predict it. I plan to get sunny drone flights, but you know, you can never predict the weather. I think that's it. I think I'm just going to go up to here and that's it. It's going to be a cloudy shot for this. I don't know how long this is going to last, but it might last for the duration of the drone flight. You know, the drone's up in the sky now, so it is. You literally can't predict the weather, and I can't stay here for too long, stand there for too long, wait for the clouds, because the day's going to pass. I want to do other drone flights as well. We've still got sunny shots most of the time. See, look, we managed to keep up with the clouds. It's actually crazy. Let's keep the drone there for a bit, just get a nice shot of that. You know what, it's still sunny in that area. I think that area is outside of the clouds. Never mind, I spoke too soon. Something about this shot looks special though, where we see the bus in that distance. We don't really get shots like this. We keep the drone stationary, but the camera pans with the bus. That's actually a sick shot, actually. It's like tracking, but we're not moving the drone with it, with the actual bus. Now we're going to start moving. It's a very interesting way to get a shot of Crayford, Southeast London. I flew in the right time because there's construction happening here, and we'll get shots of the progress of it, essentially. Let's come back towards here. Let's get the shot of the other side. Crayford station is not far from there, from where I'm standing. Get a shot of the whole area. You know what we'll do at the end? Right now, let's get a shot of the station area. Got a nice little village over here, look at that, amazing. Nice little area here in Southeast London. Come back towards this area. You've got a little stadium here. It's not a major stadium, it's like a smaller one. What else have we got? Follow with the sun, there's another retail park over here. Got a Next, got a Smith's, and we've got a Curry's. Got McDonald's right there as well. Got a Sports Direct, Pets at Home. Got a yeah, got a Boots. Got a lot of things down there. Got a shot of the whole area of Crayford. This is literally the residential area of the Crayford area. All the way down there. And over here we've got some shipping containers. This area is like the, where we are, this is like the industrial part of Crayford. Get a shot of this road down here. The shots are a bit spotty here because clouds. Can hear a lot of noises. That's because it's hot weather. When you have hot weather, you hear cars actually, a lot of cars are actually louder because when they have the AC on, it creates a higher noise, louder noise basically, it's a fan. I hear that a lot. When it's a hot day, every car that goes past, pretty much most of them, they all have this humming noise that you hear right now. You can hear that. That's because that person in that car has an AC on right now. Let's get shut down. It's completely cloudy now, fortunately. Shot this roundabout area. Is it me or the drone moving jumpy? I think it's just me. Actually, it is a bit windy, to be fair. It's causing the gimbal. It's not that windy today, it's like calm winds, but it might be enough to make the drone just... It might be enough to make the gimbal look a bit jumpy. Got a pure gym over here as well. It's a bit cloudy, so I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to land it now. You know what, I think it'll be best to land it now because we've got a shot of everything and it'll be quicker to charge it. Because I only have one power bank, and if the more battery I have in this battery right now, the more battery I have in my last drone flight. I might do it, I'll see, depending on the weather. How this weather pans out. Let's land the drone now. Let's get one last vertical shot of Sainsbury's over here. Right, we'll land it now. Look at that, got a shot of the car park and where we are over here. Turns out we just used all the battery, so there's really no point now. The wind's picked up a bit. The drone's moving a bit slower now. Let's choose a parking spot, which is going to be down here because it's empty. Let's go to this side. Be easier for us. See, look at that. We're in normal mode, we're not going to smash it like how we did in one of our drone flights. All alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Crayford in southeast London. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah guys, I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.